Welcome to our channel. If you need to pay quarterly estimated taxes and want to calculate them accurately, follow these step-by-step instructions to avoid underpayment penalties. Step 1. Determine if you need to pay estimated taxes. You likely do if you're self-employed, have investment income, or receive income without withholding and expect to owe at least $1,000. Step 2. Calculate your expected adjusted gross income for the year by projecting your income from all sources including business profits, investments, and any other earnings. Step 3. Estimate your deductions including business expenses, retirement contributions, health insurance premiums, and either standard or itemized deductions. Step 4. Use the worksheet in Form 1040 ES to calculate your estimated tax liability based on projected income minus deductions. Step 5. Divide your total estimated tax by 4 to determine your quarterly payment amount. Quarters are due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. Step 6. Make payments using IRS Direct Pay, electronic federal tax payment system, by mailing Form 1040 ES vouchers, or through your IRS online account. Step 7. Adjust your estimates quarterly based on actual income fluctuations. If your income is uneven, use the annualized income installment method to reduce early payments. Step 8. Keep records of all estimated tax payments, including confirmation numbers and dates, to reference when filing your annual return. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.